Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about a scenario-based interview question which has been asked multiple times in Databricks and PySpark interviews. So as we can see here, we have given with an input dataset with two columns, name and courses enrolled. But if we notice here, in the courses enrolled column, we have more than one values. So our task is to split these values and create the separate rows for each of them. So as we have mentioned here, the expected output, if we take a look at the first name, James, has been enrolled for two courses, SQL and data science. And we need to split these courses and create two new rows. So James course enrolled as SQL, and similarly the second row as James with course enrolled as data science, and so on for other records. So here we have taken some sample data along with its schema and created a data frame called input underscore df. So we can see we have two columns in our input data frame, name and courses enrolled. And if we look at the data types of these two columns, they are of string type. Now, to get the expected output, we need to use explode function on our courses enrolled column. So explode function basically takes either as an array object or map type object as an input and transforms the elements into multiple rows. But what we have seen just now, our courses enrolled column is not of array type or map type. So first we need to convert this column into array type. Now to convert an string into array type, we will use split function first on top of our input underscore df data frame. So let's do that. So our input data frame is input underscore df, and we will use with columns function to generate a new column, and we will call this column as course enrolled. We will apply split function on our courses enrolled column based on comma delimiter. And let's store the output of this derivation into a new data frame called as final underscore df. And let's display the output of this final data frame along with its schema. But before we run our shell, let's import split and column functions from our PySpark library. Split and column. And let's also import explode function because we will use it later. Now let's run the shell. And we have got the newly created column in our final underscore df data frame, which is of array type. We have also printed the schema of final underscore df data frame, and we can see it here. The course underscore enrolled is of array type. Now, since we have successfully converted our string data type to array data type, let's apply explode function on top of this to get the expected output. And we will select only required columns. Now let's run the shell and see if we are getting the desired output. So here is our output with two columns, name and course enrolled, with each element in a new row. That's it for this video. Thank you.